Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to make a pergola. I don't normally post out videos, but my son says I should take a video and stick it on YouTube and see how many likes we get. So this is it. Basically how I did it was get myself 5 big 10-foot posts, 6 inch by 6 inch 10-foot posts, and then dug down 1.5 to 2 feet and buried them in postcrete, the two ends. And then we've got the supports. Can't really see too much going on here because our listeria has grown over it. So basically the back posts are there, got a bit of an edge here hanging off it, and that is how I've cut them in, and they are sitting cut in, and then the posts take the weight, and then each of the boards at the back, but like a shell shape, an oyster shape, I've cut those by about an inch, and they slot down into the 6 by 1.5 that's running across to take the weight. And then the wife, she wanted a fancy wee cut, so I had to get these boys here and stick them in. I'll get around this other side, see them better. How to use the jigsaw and cut them a bit. So again, the front of the boards and the top is 6 by 1.5 by 4.6 meters long. I've cut a wee inch, 2 inch, the thickness of the board, and they all slot into place. And then that there is covered by the listeria or wisteria or whatever you call it. So I had a big lily growing, and then I had an extra one. So I built a wee wall to put it in, but my bricklaying's a bit shit. I'm not really a bricklayer, as I'm sure you can tell. And then I got these big boys and I stuck them down too. So I dug down about 4 inch and put a 4 inch bed of concrete. Now I'm sure there's experts out there that tell you how to do it right, but I got a 4 inch bed of concrete, and then I got the slabs and I sealed them at the back with diarrhea or something, whatever you call it. I don't know what the name is. It's not diarrhea, it's slurry or some old slop. Maybe it's slurry, aye. But there's a nice slop you mix up and you stick it onto the back of them to seal them. And then I just put a wee bit of adhesive down and I set them onto it. Now I think you're meant to put them down on a semi-wet sort of concrete. So maybe I did that, half and half. Another bit of shit building. And then that's it. And then we've got wee lights on her. So, and then I got this charcoal composite decking. I think it was half price. It was 20 quid a square meter. So 3.6 by 3.6 was about 550 quid all in, including the wee screw down clips. I don't know if you can see them or not, but they are a great job. Definitely recommend getting a couple of bags of them, boys, because they hold it nicely. And then the old egg chair, my wife wanted it out of the house and I didn't want to dump it, so nice wee bit of yacht rope there, hung her up. That's my favourite chair. And I can sit here and look at the mess of the garden. That's it. So there we go. So I don't know how much the wood was to make it, maybe 500 quid. Aye, and 500 quid for the decking, about £1,000. So there you go.